Mahaba, I'm Tim Cahill. I'm here at JOALI Being, and welcome to the Learning Centre series. I've played in England, America, China, Australia, India, and also for the Australian national team. I chose JOALI Being because, one, I'm an ex-professional footballer that loves to take care of my body, and based on the 4 pillars of the ethos of the island, I wanted to take in the experience to try the treatments, the meditation, all these amazing experiences, but also to hold an amazing camp with the guests from the island and also guests from the neighbouring islands. My journey in JOALI Being has been amazing. Waking up, having an itinerary, 7 a.m. yoga, cryotherapy, going to the gym, being able to take in the amazing restaurants. This has been fantastic for the well-being, not only for mind, but also for the body. The experiences, I'll have to be the assessment, learning about my lifestyle, about my body. I did a TLA, which was an assessment. This was with the Quest 4, learning about nutrition, learning about different things, and I can apply it to my lifestyle. Another one that I loved was the Watsu, being in the water and being held with my eyes closed and submerged. Just a feeling of being light and free was a pretty incredible experience. But there's so many things, and I think that's the reason why coming here for this 7 to 8 days, enjoying the camps, enjoying the treatments, and also giving something back to my well-being, the mental and physical state of what my body deserves. The 2 football workshops, the first one with the guests was really special because we had kids from 4 years old, 6 years old, 9, 11, 14, and also 15, girls and boys. And I built the workshop around making sure the kids could come, feel inclusive, be a part of the experience, learn football skills, learn the coordination of warming up and using ladders and hurdles, but also ball manipulations, loads of touches, loads of games, and also the experience of teaching them. But the best has to be the smiles on their face, the best things when they're celebrating goals, when they're making new friends, and everyone wins. Everyone at the end gets a wooden medal. They get one of my children's books, and it gives me great pleasure to see a kid the next day come up and show me the book and tell me what a great experience they've had. But also for the neighbouring island of we have Ingaratu's school that's coming, to give something back and also to share the experience with local Maldivian kids of the joy of football. The 4 pillars, I think it's important that I've spent some time on the island and learned a lot about it and taken in how important it is to take care of your body. For me, one of the most important things as an athlete was the mind, mental and physical, the nutrition, and all these things that I tried to implement into the workshop was these key attributes of philosophy and also the ethos of the island. The energy from the kids is there, the fearlessness when it comes to taking part and being competitive in everything they did, but also just the togetherness. So learning a lot about the island and also JOALI Being and having this football camp, I think it's been great because also I also got to involve the parents at the end. The joy of weightlessness is being free. I think from day-to-day lives of being in the workplace and being back in the real world of our everyday life and coming to JOALI Being is to finish an experience, a treatment or an experience and walk out just feeling light, feeling mentally free, feeling great from everything that you eat to the things that you do physically to the treatments that you do. I think this is the most important, and it's also the self-care, the elements that we forget. But it's great to just take care of our minds, take care of our body, our soul, and also physically reset. And I know when I leave here, I'll be sad, but also excited to go back to working in the football world and enjoying my day-to-day job, feeling rejuvenated. To inspire the next generation with boys and girls, my advice is to have fun, to take part, to try many different sports. And one thing for me as a player on and off the park is to be fearless. It's okay to make mistakes. And the one thing that you do know is you might miss the goal 10 times, but that one time when it hits the back of the net or you get to share a pitch with your best friend, it's the best feeling ever. So take part and have fun. Thank you so much to everyone for tuning in to the Learning Centre series. Take care.